Hello, hi, my name is Crypto Nerd, and in this video, I'll be going through the latest cryptocurrency news. Before we get started, if you can hit the like and subscribe button, currently sitting at 134 subscribers, hoping to hit the magic number of 1,000 as soon as possible. So please go ahead and click like and subscribe. I'm dropping content consistently, as you can see, pretty much daily at the moment, as the market is in a very volatile position. As of May the 23rd. Bitcoin is trading around about 30,355. I expect a big move in the next 48 hours. Obviously, on May the 11th, we saw the low of 26,700, which I personally think was the bottom. I think we can see a big move in the next 24 to 48 hours maximum. I think we'll be seeing plus 32K at that point. So, in terms of the latest news on Bitcoin, just going to go through watcher.guru, the Twitter page, one of my favorite Twitter pages out there in terms of the latest updated news. A fun fact: as of a few days ago, 5 years ago, Bitcoin was trading at $2,000. Right now, it's trading at 30,000. So we've seen a 15,000% increase since then. It's also worth noting the global cryptocurrency market cap went back up to $1.35 trillion US dollars. This was after the collapse on May the 11th. So, yeah, we're looking quite stable. It's also, we probably saw on the news that El Salvador invited 44 countries to Bitcoin Beach to discuss Bitcoin adoption. Amongst those countries, we saw Bangladesh, Nigeria, etc. Meanwhile, the European Union, the head of the ECB bank, said that they thought cryptocurrency was useless. So obviously, the rich countries they can't regulate it, so the poor countries see it as a way out, which is why we keep seeing El Salvador buying a dip. We also saw Russia's trade minister say cryptocurrency will eventually be legalized in the country following the restrictions obviously they've had during the Ukraine war. Given that cryptocurrency is decentralized, no one owns it, they can't put regulations on it, it makes sense for Russia to then accept it. Also, I saw as well Ethereum mentioned that the proof of stake merge is likely to happen in August. If we look at Ethereum's releases in the past 5 years, releases generally tend to start off a rally in the price. So I think 60% one of the rallies and 100% before that. So this could be a catalyst for a bull run potentially. What do you think? We saw developers come out confirming that the merge to proof of stake will also happen early August, same as what Ethereum said. I think Vitalik himself mentioned as well August is the likely date, not far away from that, 3 months approximately. So yeah, in terms of other updates, I came across Cyprus are finalising their Bitcoin draft regulation. Again, good news. They ended up finalising it. Draft regulation is going through their parliament. So again, that's bullish news. We also saw Shiba Inu, the scam coin or whatever you want to call it, not scam coin. I think that's the what do you call it? The equivalent of Dogecoin. They did a Red Bull collaboration. Obviously, big news. Red Bull sponsor Formula One as well, I believe. So yeah. PayPal's co-founder David Sachs confirmed he holds Bitcoin. PayPal obviously have their own wallet and that allow cryptocurrencies to come through there. And obviously, we've seen Terra Luna, the news in regards to it going from $100 to $1, and Do Kwon. It emerged that he had burnt down the lab a few days before the price plummeted. So yeah. Also, we've seen some bullish news around Cardano. They've been added an average of 2,340 wallets per day over the past month, which is quite bullish news for Cardano holders. So yeah. As well as that, Luna's market cap dropped below 850 million. Obviously, there was $1 billion market cap before that. We've also seen stocks get hit quite heavily. Tesla stocks dropped to $633, lowest it's been since July. And also, we've seen US Congressman Brian Dons introduced a bill that would allow Americans to add Bitcoin and crypto to their 401k plans. So, again, bullish news coming out of the US. Other news, if we just go up, as I said to you, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik, I think it was a couple of days ago, mentioned that proof of stake likely to happen in August. He also confirmed he's now a billionaire. He's following the collapse, or a millionaire of the coin, Ethereum coin. As I said to you, Do Kwon says dissolving of the Terraform Labs in Korea days before the lunar crash is purely coincidental, which we all know is not. And I said to you, ECB bank president said crypto is worth nothing. As I said in we saw what happened in with Bitcoin in terms of El Salvador holding that meeting with 44 countries, so they're quite bullish. There's the update about Vitalik confirming proof of stake in August. There's been a lot of updates around Terra Luna. I won't be covering it off in my video because I feel like it's a pointless coin and I wouldn't advise investors into that coin. I think that's pretty much it in terms of the latest updates. If we just go further up, anything I've missed out? I don't think there is. Let's quickly get further up. We've seen Tron also has overtaken Shiba Inu in terms of market cap. And then we just saw an update an hour ago about John Deaton has filed a motion letter asking to represent the XRP holders in the Ripple case. But yeah, I'd advise following the Watcher.guru page. They always post daily content, hourly content on updated crypto regulations and upcoming news, etc. And as you can see, the Bitcoin price is trading around 30,500. As I said, I expect a big move to the upside. I personally, myself, not financial advice, I think the bottom was in on May the 11th. Let's have a look at a graph last month. So you can see Bitcoin's been trading around the 30K mark almost for 2 weeks now. I expect a big move this week. It looks like to the upside potentially. I think stocks are also up today as well. So let me know your comments below where you think Bitcoin's going to go. Have you now invested your money back into Bitcoin or cryptocurrency? Do you think the bottom's in? Please hit the like and subscribe button. As I said, hoping to drop more content in the coming days. So thanks everyone.